Are you looking for the best watering can in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best watering can that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bloem Aqua Rite watering can. Bloem Aqua Rite watering can features a very distinctive looking long stem spout, which comfortably controls the water flow along with a nicely shaped, easy to carry and comfortable to operate handle. The small opening of the spout means that it's ideal for watering plants where you need to control the flow of water, and it also makes it much easier to reach into those harder spots around your home and garden. What's really great about the design is that it's been entirely constructed from just one piece of 100% UV stabilized polypropylene plastic. What that means is that you can be guaranteed of no leaks, plus the lovely color won't fade no matter what weather conditions it has to endure. The plastic is also BPA free, which is another great selling point. In terms of the water capacity, it can hold 144 ounces, which is approximately a gallon. Overall, the watering can has a good combination of both reach and balance. Even when it's totally full, and with that longer length spout, you can be more precise with where you direct the water. Up next in the 4th place is the MyLifeUNIT Plastic Elegant Watering Can. This very elegant and modern-looking MyLifeUNIT watering can is manufactured to strong design principles and is all about enhancing your daily life by bringing quality and innovation to everyday objects. In this case, a watering can made from a high-quality resin and with a 12-gallon capacity. The focus is all about the concept of what the brand call humanized design. It features a narrow spout that pours easily, a broad and contoured handle, and a small top opening for filling with water. It's lightweight and effortless to handle and operate. The principle behind the small and narrow spout is that it can more accurately water your plants and get into the roots better. With a no-cap design, it's convenient for use indoors and won't leak or spill. It's also easy to add water directly under the flow of a running tap. The oval-shaped bottom gives the can a sturdy resting base, which means you can securely plant on the group, the floor, or even on your worktop surfaces. It's easy to clean when it does get dirty, and can simply be wiped down clean, ideal for use both inside and out. It's made from a hard-wearing and long-lasting plastic, which is weather-resistant and long-lasting. The 3rd product on our list is the Haws Indoor Copper Watering Can. Haws Indoor Copper Watering Can is something of a showstopper and would make an incredible and thoughtful gift for an avid gardener in the family who also appreciates the finer things in life. It's entirely made from copper throughout, which hasn't been lacquered either, which means that as the watering can ages, it will just get better and better, developing a rich patina. Design-wise, it also looks pretty spectacular. Attractive and hard-wearing, the spout of the can is tapered and also craved, which means that you can precisely direct the water flow where it's required. There's also a removable brass oval rose, which is perfect for when you wish to water more delicate plants and seedlings and provide them with a finer spray of water. The rounded handle design is easy to carry, and overall the unit can hold up to liter of water. Second on our list is the Fdit Stainless Steel Indoor Modern Watering Can. If you prefer your watering can to match your style, and your home interior mood of choice is modern, sleek, and sophisticated, then you are going to love this next best watering can review. It's from Fdit, and it's their stainless steel modern watering can, intended for indoor use. It's been built to last with that hand-polished brushed stainless steel finish and is very contemporary looking. The small and elegant frame with its elongated and slimline watering spout make it perfect for watering orchids and other indoor house plants. This version can hold up to 1,500 ml of water, but 2 other smaller options also exist, a 900 ml and also a 1,000 ml. The unique design of the spout not only looks modern and contemporary, but it also serves a very functional purpose as it's been designed that way so as never to spill. It can also be used to reach difficult and small, tight spots in your home too. With a semi-opening, refilling is a breeze, and the actual handle itself has been ergonomically shaped and designed so that it is comfortable to use and hold. Because the Fdit indoor watering can is also lightweight, it can be used to reach those hanging baskets too. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bayron's steel watering can. Bayron's watering can is designed in that vintage-looking style, which is reassuringly old school and still very charming and charismatic. There's something almost pretty about the use of galvanized steel as opposed to plastic, and this is definitely one watering can that you won't mind leaving out in your garden or on your decking. It's weather hardy, and it looks great too, so serves the dual purpose of both watering your plants, which is, of course, the most important point, but also making you look like a pro too. Not only is it durable and weather hardy so that you can leave it outside rather than putting it away in your shed, it's also rust and rodent resistant. Better still, it's recyclable too, so you really are taking care of your own ecosystem, and to a lesser extent the environment too. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.